You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this quite curious word. It is normally pronounced as supination, alright? Supination. Now, in American English, it can also be pronounced as supination. Therefore, it's just the second syllable is either a P sound, a short E sound, or an A sound, a schwa. Supination. And yes, it's like nation at the end. It's not nation. Supination or supination. English pronunciation, how to pronounce supination. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.